Hey YouTube. I was about to record stuff using my pen camera, as you know, and I have many pen cameras like these, except at least this was a pen camera. But like when I opened my desk today, it was sort of the cap here was mashed in. So I mean, I took it apart, but it was like this. It wasn't pointing outwards, but it was like stuck in the middle, stuck in there. So there was no way for me to pull it out. I tried bashing it out. I tried using, well, I don't have tweezers here in college, and when I opened it up, I found it wasn't the problem. It wasn't because of this part that was the problem. It was actually this button right here. And this is the first time I actually opened up one of these pen cameras, and it's really pretty cool. You have your USB here, charger. You have the battery, which is a 3.7 volts 220 mAh battery. It's a pretty small capacity, but I mean, for something like this, you don't need something that's really big. But I noticed that the button here is also mashed in. It works sometimes, but it doesn't work always. And sometimes it turns on by itself. It's not sort of this ghost thing, obviously, but there's something malfunctioning with this white part right here. Right now, I think the battery's low, but if I click on it, check out this part. You'll see blue lights lighting up. And now you get, well, the blue lights isn't caught on this horrible webcam, but the yellow light means it's on standby. So I click it again. That means it's recording. So now it's working fine. So it's working just fine now, but before, it's on standby again. It's like when I shake it a little, sometimes it changes. Well, I don't know if it's gonna work now, but it's just weird. Like, okay, so it's still on the yellow part, but sometimes when I move it, it's just switched from blue to yellow and blue to yellow. I'm not sure what's going on. I just suspect that something in the switch part of it is loose, so it's consistently is connecting the two parts that turns. I mean, it's like, how circuits work. The entire circuit has to be connected in order for it to work, in order for the device to function. So I'm suspecting that it's the part that's in the switch is touching two sides of the metal parts, and then you know falling to the side. And if I shake it the other direction, it touches again, turns back on. Shake it the other direction, turns off again. But I'm gonna charge this up a little and see what's going on with this. But I think, because I mean, the thing with the metal form of it, the pen form, is that it's limited. It's a huge pen, and people are always, of course, going to wonder what the heck this is, because it's just so huge. It just seems suspicious. No one cares around big pens like this. With something like this, it's certainly much smaller than this. I can, hide this somewhere else. I could create a different design for it instead of just this pen casing that I'm stuck with. So I could probably, fit this into like a gum slot. I could probably, I don't know. I could probably just tape it onto my shirt. No, that would seem weird. And it'll probably catch my clothes on fire. Or my short circuit this thing. But, yeah. Alright.